What up, man? It's your boy Candy Kingpin. I'm back again. Fucking around with the fuck around. Right now, man, we working on Gloria, as I like to call her. Lil Glorilla. So right now we working on Gloria, man. I built this car last year sometime, just freshen up the motor or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Upgraded it like oil pump, time and change, shit like that. So this time we coming back, man. I got the motor pulled out. I forgot to record, you feel me? Cause I'm getting new to this recording thing, and you feel me? I ain't used to just record myself. I post on my story, stuff like that. You can follow me on Instagram at Candy Kingpin and like watch my story. But I gotta get back into the stream. It ain't streaming, but shoot my videos, you know, for the YouTube. So for the vlog or whatever. So I got my LS4 here, pulled it out of Gloria, 4T65E transmission. This transmission fucked up on me. I bought this car around about a year ago now. I bought it like December 26, 2023. And it's a GM reman transmission, but it finally took a shit on me. And now we finna do the 4T80 swap. And we finna put a Excalibur cam from LS4 King in this engine. And I'm finna bust this block down, and we're gonna see what the bearings look like, see if it need to go to machine shop. We sending the heads to the machine shop to be polished and poured. We're going with an LS fast intake, 102 millimeter, bigger injectors, and we might do a little small shot of nitrous. So man, y'all stay tuned, watch me bust down this LS4, and I'm gonna keep y'all posted, man. Watch me do my thing. So what I like to do, some people like to leave their stuff in the part or whatever. I put mine in a, now if it's different sizes, I usually take a picture and stuff like that. But usually I just put it in a Ziploc bag and label the Ziploc bag as I'm doing it. All these pretty much the same size, so I could leave them in there, but I'd rather put my shit in the Ziploc bag. Cause I ain't got nowhere to store this stuff, so I gotta store it in the trunk, and I don't wanna lose nothing. Super simple to keep up with your shit. Super simple. Super simple. Niggas make shit so hard. Shit ain't hard. I'm going new intake anyway, so I might not even have to keep this shit, but you never know. Intake money. That's all you gotta do. Keep up with your shit, gang. Roll this damn thing over. But be free tonight. Praying to God I get a leash on life. Alright. Pull the red exhaust manifold out. Your mama still struggling. Didn't get no help from the government. Man, you trying to sucker her. And hopefully I get my hands on a second Doug Thorley LS4 exhaust manifold. Man, I want something so bad, but kind of crazy to pay $1,500 for some goddamn headers, man. Shit crazy work. What else, a wing?
Yeah, they already cut.
Yeah, do both of them. Shit, not I eat them tomorrow. It's still good. We're gonna reuse it. Intake off. What else we need to get off? I really want to pull these heads off because I never did take the heads off when I freshened the motor up. I just did timing chain, little shit like that, you know. New gaskets, oil pump, stuff like that. So I really want to pull these heads out, see what they look like inside. So I guess that's what we're going to get to now. Let's go and pull these cores off. Let's go and pull these core packs off, man. Let's go and pull these core packs off first. Getting a little bit ahead of myself, that's all. Put my core pack bolts back in. I don't think these no 10, these like an 8. Straight like that, baby. And this motor still had DOD in it anyway, so I need to get that shit up out of there, period. You feel me? This motor still had DOD in it. So I guess at this point, shit, pull these rockers arms out. type shit. I'm kinda tired of listening to this shit, man. What place on that Detroit shit?
What's up, bro? I got killers in the yard.
These ain't no show dogs. Now I'm gonna put these in a box and line them up the same way I took them apart. Couldn't even buy it. Oh man, but these put rods, they done seen better days for sure. But keep in mind, this motor got like 270,000 miles on it, so. And I did I freshened it up probably with like 220 probably, some shit like that. Alright. These ain't no show dogs. Damn. I'll put that in the bag a little bit later. Give me an extension. I never picked the phone. Only God knows. Thought I was gonna be able to leave that bracket on right now. Yes, sir. See, that's like these over here. Smell the antifreeze already, man. I can smell the antifreeze already, man. You're gonna lose a couple bags, you gotta keep going. Ain't really tripping on these head bolts because we putting new head bolts in it. So them bitches get lost all day. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a crazy build. 4T80 transmission, Excalibur cam, LS6 intake, 102, 102 millimeter throttle body. What you making, babe? Oh, the leftovers. Remember I said I could have vlogged it when I took it out, so I said I'll vlog while I break the engine down and put it back together.
You want my stand?
Huh? I got it propped up on my hood mount. You got one? It's all good right now. I use it next time.
You sure?
Yeah, I got a good angle, so I'm straight. You ain't never had to live in a Days Inn? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Hey, cylinder walls look good. I'm gonna bar the motor over just to see, but these cylinder walls look hella good, bro. I'm telling you, bro, these cylinder walls look hella good. Let me get my flash. I can't turn my flash on right now. Hold on. It's just money. Man, those cylinder walls look good, bro. No, we're gonna have that bullshit on top, but we probably, I might put some LS1 pistons in here. We getting some new pistons anyway. Cause I'm gonna build this for nitrous, but the way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna overdo it so the nitrous I put on here ain't gonna be much. It ain't gonna be nothing that's gonna fuck it up. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be really underrated for the shot of nitrous I could run through. See, let's pull this other head off. Then we're gonna pull the pan, the oil pump, and check some of them bearings, bro. But we making good progress so far. And the Monte Carlo really up next too, cause I'm not gonna do a 4080 swap. I'm doing just a cam in it, and I'm getting this 465 been rebuilt before, but it's so many that just still not right. So I gotta take it back to my transmission guy and get him to get it back right for me. And then, like I said, while the transmission out of, we're gonna put a cam in it too. So y'all just stay tuned, bro. We finna go crazy. We going up with this shit, man. So what I'm gonna do is put this head back together. See, this shit might be hard to some niggas, cause niggas mama didn't raise them to put shit back where the fuck they found it at. So some of this shit might be kind of hard for niggas to do. Shit ain't hard if your mama taught you how to put shit back where the fuck you found it at. It's crazy how the small shits in life apply toward these cars. Shit be crazy. No mama touch something. My mama know her youngest son always gonna get money. My pockets got dog shit. I be all in. Fuck you good, yes. When that money come next. Man, I'm impressed by the cylinder walls, bro. For it's down there $300,000 mile motor, man. And the cylinder walls look good as fuck. I just hope them bearings and shit look the same. I ain't cranking no hard. I'm gonna rotate the motor rounds, man, so y'all can kind of see what I'm doing. Put these screws back in real quick. Take that valve cover off. I be getting a little ahead of myself. Take that valve cover off, man. Yes, sir. Damn. Like I said, put these in the same order I take them out. Cause for real, we really ain't gonna reuse this shit. But yeah, we really ain't reusing this shit, but you never know. God damn. You put it right in there dirty the other side was. You a rat for life. God damn. With my other steam port, we're gonna zip lock that when we get finished. Let you old niggas know I'm coming for you, man.
You put your own Band-Aids.
In the kitchen, in the drawer. Niggas spend all that money LS swapping them Jones, man. Finna get your shit, get your door blew over by a nigga in a front wheel drive LS. put this head back together real quick. 1 second. Y'all bear with me. So you fucked up. Head gas must still be on though. Okay. Cylinder walls look great, bro. Look at it, man. Cylinder walls look great. That's a blessing. Just gotta get these nasty ass pistons up out of here. This bullshit ass VVT shit. DOD, VVT, AFM, whatever. No, yeah, not VVT. I'm tripping, y'all. So, damn. So let's get us some light. We're gonna pull this pan off, the oil pump, all that little bullshit. And goddamn, see what these bearings look like, man. See what these bearings look like. See how deep to the machine shop we gotta go. Let me plug this light up. Let me change it down some, boy. Honcho know he can fuck up a song, boy. See that nigga listening. Let me get my oil for the reported filter off. my drain plug out the damn oil pan. I'm tripping. Pico tube. on the side, get this thing out. Oh, no, I'm pulling out the wrong thing. I might put that back in there. I just missed the bolt, that's all. Shit, players fuck up too, man. There we go. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. All right. Okay. Man. Okay. So now we're gonna pull these rod bearings and probably pull some of these main caps too. Probably pull like 1 or 2 main caps out just to see what these bearings look like. But for the most part, it look pretty clean. So let me pull 1 of these rod bearings, see where we at, and we're gonna go from there, baby. I need a metal tape. What's up, 13? God damn. Oh, I see it. You gotta get my man in that. I'll get in a second. 13. I guess it's like a 12 millimeter. Yes, sir. Let's see. Yeah. Ain't bad though for a motor that's almost 300,000 miles, man. That's pretty damn good, man. But I can't go back with this type shit. Can't go back with nothing like this. So that just one on, man. We're gonna put this one back because we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do next. Cause I'm definitely gonna have to send this to a machine shop. Cause well, I'm probably gonna send this on machine. Well, we put new pieces in. We just gonna see. We gonna map all this shit out, man. But for a 300,000 mile damn near motor, this bitch got like 270, 280 on the clock. This ain't fucking bad, bro. That ain't fucking bad at all, dog. That ain't fucking bad, bro. Let me pull another one. Y'all check this one out, man. It really ain't bad for 300,000 miles, bro. I done seen a lot fucking worse. That ain't bad, man. So we gonna map this shit out, see how we gonna run it, and we gonna go from there, man. I'm gonna see about definitely putting new pistons and rods in this bitch. So I don't know, man. I might have to put another crank in. I'm just gotta see how I'm gonna map this build out. But me freshening it up beginning of the year was well worth it because it made this motor really last, man. I think me freshening up really got this motor to run as long as it did. Really wasn't nothing wrong with the motor. Really just the transmission. But I did need some valve seals in them heads because they were using a little bit of oil at idle. But since we got them heads off, they going to get poured and polished and all that shit anyway. So, and y'all stay tuned, man. I'll let y'all upload again on the next step. Stay tuned. Like I said, follow me on Instagram at Candy Kingpin. You want to quotes, estimates, write me on Instagram, Candy Kingpin. You feel me? And I accept the follow request. All right, get up with y'all later on, man. Next time.